How do you keep back doors secure? The first step is to choose a product that has been specifically designed as an external door and is therefore 40mm thick, giving added protection against the outside world. We recommend that external doors are made from a solid construction, whether solid timber like our Arcadia, Eden and Balmain ranges, or solid composite materials such as our Regent, Torrens and Clifton options. Installing the right hardware such as deadlocks and entrance sets will also help to keep your back doors more secure and your home protected. Most doors plus entrance sets have a double throw deadlock, which means that you turn the key once and the latch inserts about 20mm into the frame. Then you turn the key again and the latch goes even further into the frame, creating a more secure door. Ensuring that your framework is sturdy and in good condition will also enhance your backdoor security. For the ultimate in backdoor security, our Guardian 2-in-1 integrated security screen door is an excellent choice. The 316 marine grade stainless steel mesh screen is built into the door. This means you can open the window without leaving your home exposed at the back, and you can also check who's outside before opening the door. Whichever back door you choose, you can enhance security by adding an ultra safe screen as an extra barrier of protection. The 316 marine grade stainless steel mesh has passed rigorous impact, knife shear and Gemmy tests to meet the highest Australian standards, and the triple lock mechanism gives you ultimate peace of mind. Our ultra safe screens are available as single or double hinge doors or in sliding or stacking options.